Durable design. Each blade refill lasts up to 1 month, based on twice per week shave. Just use and replace when you're ready for a new one. Save time. These refills have 3 built-in blades, shaving hair quickly and effectively. Shave right, not more. Soft shaving. Made with protective elastomer comfort cushions around the blades. Features a blue indicator strip that fades when you're no longer getting the optimal shave. Any Venus blade refill fits any Venus razor handle, except simply Venus and Venus pubic hair razor. Gillette Venus razors for women are designed with a woman's body in mind. From handles designed for a comfortable grip to pivoting heads that contour to curves, Venus razors are designed to help reveal smooth skin. The Venus Smooth Women's Razors are the first ever 3-bladed razors designed for women. Top reviews from the United States. Great value and efficient packaging. Arrived in very small, efficient packaging. At first, I thought the seller forgot to ship the handle component, but I flipped over the top layer of packaging and saw it. The razor worked effortlessly and left a smooth, moisturized skin.